Okay, we are on. Hello, everybody from sunny. Is it still sunny outside? Rather warm evening tonight, right? I am Andre Jordan. This is your relaxing music mix. Well, this time we are here on Easy Rock's socials, digitals, right? This is for Easy Rock Plugged In. And to the uninformed, Plugged In is the program where we interview some of your favorite artists and favorite performers, right? And so, without further ado, enough yapping. I wanna call in on our special guest, in studio special guest. So join me in welcoming, drum roll please, the Knobs. The Knobs. How we feeling, guys?
Yeah.
Kamusta?
Yeah, we're fine.
Fine?
Yeah.
Fine lang?
We're fine.
Very fine.
Pagod.
Yeah. Hindi naman. Masaya. Actually, masaya.
I feel like, you know, and I don't want to speak too much in, you know, the mind of a musician. Hindi naman siguro nakakapagod para sa inyo yung music, diba? Because it's fun. It's fun. It's like your passion, right?
Yes.
Diba? So, ayun, I guess as a quick introduction, why don't we go around the room? Each member introduce yourself, kahit one name lang, and then maybe someone can give a small, short little bio of who the Knobs are. So, from left to right na lang. Sige, go.
Hi, I am Marco Corre. I'm the drummer of the Knobs. Yes po.
Hi, Marco. Hi, Marco.
Hello, boss.
Hi, I'm Rafi and rhythm guitar of the band.
Rhythm, okay. Awesome.
Yeah, I'm JR, the songwriter and bassist of the band. And vocalist. Yeah, that's me.
I'm Eman, the lead guitarist of the band.
And I'm Sky, the cutest member, the keyboardist.
Oh my-
Thank you.
How old are you in the back right there? Ilang taon
I'm
ka na?
only 22.
Hindi halata sa ano niya, no? Sa itsura. Okay,
Yeah.
anyway. So maybe a short little bio, just really quick. Siguro who the Knobs is really. As a summary, synopsis siguro of who the Knobs is as a band.
We're the band for a reason. Ano ba? Paano ba? We make music, we make more music.
Fine-tune music.
Yeah, para makarelate yung mga tao. Tama ba? Yes. Yeah, yun lang.
Yeah, that's actually so you make music that you basically want to make, and ano ba kayo, mga broken ganun? Kasi parang lulungkot na kanta niya. Just saying, by the way, just saying.
Mga broken.
Before.
Broken head.
Broken-headed the art. Anyway, speaking of, you know, broken-heartedness, so we saw your recent Facebook status, okay? So, this was from 2 days ago. Paano nga ba malalaman kung napapasaya na siya? Diba? Sige, sagutin natin yan ngayon. And by the way, before we answer the question, I want to know, sino admin ng page natin, guys? Because nakikita ko yung page nyo, sobrang witty ng mga status, tapos, ayun nga, parang laging may pinaghuhugutan, pinagdadaanan. So,
ako yung nagpo-post, pero tawag dito kasi nakikita ko na mas nagre-react minsan yung mga tao kapag mga ganun yung caption. Pero dinedepende ko rin siya sa sitwasyon ng mga kabanda ko.
Uy.
so para spokesperson yung Facebook feed, no?
Joke lang. Yun. Ano ba?
Ayun.
Yun lang. Ayun nga yung tanong eh. Paano mo ba malalaman pag napapasaya na siya
masasabi?
ng iba?
Okay. Ito parang may dinadamdam to eh.
Wala naman.
Si Eman.
Move on na siya.
Okay.
Yun lang yung sagot.
Pero masyadong confidential, okay? Anyway, confidential. So, you in Instagram this time, so Bini member, Maloy Recalde, okay? Use your 2021 hit, di ba? Yung walang kapantay. For her Instagram birthday post.
Yeah.
So, how was it when you found out, and how did you guys find out first and foremost, and how did you all feel when you saw the post? Syempre, because Beanie's huge now, di ba?
Sobrang shocked kasi galing ako ng parang work nun. Tapos pag uwi ko, tinatad ako ng chats ng mga friends ko. Then saktong pag uwi ko, kakauwi lang din ni brother. So nagtatatalon kami sa labas ng bahay sa tuwa. Then yun, pinost na rin na agad namin kasi sobrang saya namin. Blooms to eh. Blooms to si Marco.
Pero syempre kasi kikiligin ka naman talaga eh, di ba? Kasi, I mean, Beanie's the talk of the town right now. Sila yung talagang kahit saan ka pumunta, saan platform ka pumunta on social media. Sila talaga yung makikita mo.
Yes.
So, ayun, I get what you mean. Sige. But now we want to play a little game with you guys. We can have a little fun. Para naman,
Yes, sir.
Just have a little fun. We're gonna play Who's Most Likely To. So, ang mechanics ng laro, dyan lang kayo sa pwesto nyo. Pagkatanong after I ask the question, turuan lang to, okay? As in, turuan lang. So I'll ask, for instance, who's most likely to poop on the tour bus? So, yun,
Yes.
ganun lang. Turuan na lang kayo. Kayo na bahala, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, malaki na kayo. Kaya nyo na yan. Okay, so first one. Who's most likely sa banda na malate?
Oy, boss!
Talaga he already raised up his hand.
Nagtaas siya ng...
Pwede ka na mag-left.
Do we have any funny stories, special anecdotes regarding sa pagka-late mo?
Funny story, late ako kanina.
It's about to happen again.
Hopefully not da.
So as recent as early. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Who's most likely na maging OA sa inyong 5? Maging OA. Sir Rafi ba yan?
I think hindi naman OA kasi concern lang siya para sa kapakanan namin because he's our father.
So OA nga. OA nga yun. Okay. Next one. Who's most likely naman, opposite, na maging nonchalant?
Si Marco.
Si Mark.
Boss.
Bakit? Paano yan?
Boss!
Parang in denial siya. So paano nyo naman nasabi?
Wala po, hindi po yung nagsasabi ng totoo yung mga yan.
Baka wala lang. Pag minsan nagtatawa na kami, minsan hindi siya tumatawa. Tapos pag wala na kami, paki siya naman yung mag-isa.
Mahirap siya impress siguro si Marco. You know? Anyway, we'll move on to the next one. Who's most likely naman to have the most funniest and most sense of humor and the funniest sense of humor sa inyong 5?
Sila, lahat.
By the sounds of it and by the looks of it, lahat kayo natatawa sa isa't isa. Kasi kung sino-sino tinuturo nyo eh. So is that the case? Sa mga get-together nyo, sa mga function nyo talagang natutuwa naman kayo sa isa't isa? I'm guessing, ha?
Yeah.
Si JR po talaga, ano siya, ayaw niya sa nega.
Yeah.
So talagang good vibes lang talaga?
Yes.
Just in general? Okay. Sige. Next, who's most likely naman na maging green flag ng banda? Green flag.
Kami po, naka-green po. Nakikita niyo naman.
Hindi, pero kasi diba,
Yung keyboard game, green flag.
oo nga, talagang pinili nyo yung kulay na green today.
Opo, para green
kasi
flag.
Green flag po kami.
Yes.
Pero kasi nga, di ba sabi nila minsan, looks can be deceiving. The green flag nga ba talaga?
Bossy!
Ikaw na naman.
My long-haired brother. Wait lang. Hindi, so, pero yun nga, so masasabi nyo ba talaga na green flag kayong, the Nubs, every member in the Nubs is a walking green flag. Dito duda talaga ako dito eh. As in, sa long-haired brother ko na to. Duda talaga ako.
May kontra eh.
Hindi, siya. Green flag siya.
Ito na lang. Ito talaga feel ko applicable sa inyong 5.
Okay.
Sino naman ang most likely sa inyong 5 na maging lover boy?
Bossy!
Nauna na, lover
Yung nasa
boy ng
likod.
marami o lover boy ng isa? It depends on the...
Ano?
Ay, may ganon? May, ano ba, may...
Kasi kung lover boy ng isa, nauna na ako. Tsa! Kasi
May
tatay
criteria
ko
pa sa sa pagiging lover. Pero I feel like yun nga, generally speaking, parang yung mga songs
Siguro
nyo kasi
si Sky.
siyempre very heartfelt yung mga passionate. So feel ko lahat kayo. Pero yung grabe yung ngiti nun sa likod si Sky.
Bossy!
Parang
Friendly kasi yan, friendly.
Si Mark kasi kanina.
Bossy!
Boss!
Bossy!
So final answer kayong lahat, lover boy. Yun na lang.
Yeah.
Siguro po
Okay.
safe answer.
Safe. EFAS.
Safest answer. Okay, anyway. So we're here to promote your newest single, di ba? O Giliw Ko.
Yes.
Di ba? It's a song about two people in love who excitedly decide to get married. You know, just in time, as JR is set to tie the knot. Di ba? Congratulations so very much. So what sparked the idea of the song? You know, writing the song in such a time that is so special and personal for someone like yourself. But syempre as a band, in the perspective of the band, kamusta naman yung pag-ID, conceptualize ng kanta? Sige.
Okay naman po. Nagkasundo naman po kami sa mga ideas. Kasi first niyan, gumagawa ako ng mga demo. Then they add something para mas mapaganda yung song. So, that's how it works.
How does it feel from anyone else now? How does it feel writing a song? Siyempre kasi madali sa'yo kasi kakasal ka nung sinusulat or ginagawa nyo, di ba? From anyone else who isn't married or hasn't even been close to marriage, how does it feel like writing the song about marriage na hindi ka pa naman ikakasal or ano? Anyone from the...
Ano pa rin, masaya pa rin kasi alam namin na kasama kami ni JR dun sa pagtahak ng bagong chapter ng buhay niya. Through that song.
That's sweet. That's sweet.
Yeah.
So para yun nga kasi yung nga sanggang dikit kayong lima. So ayan, I get that. So as it's your song and it's your composition, what is your favorite part maybe or favorite lyric from the song and why?
For me, yung bridge part. Ano ba yung lyrics na?
Hanggan mo lang.
Habang buhay kang mamahalin, huwag ka sanang magsawa sa akin. Kasi lahat naman ng tao hindi perfect eh. Especially ako, inaamin ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako perfect. Pero sana sa kabila lahat ng flaws, matanggap niya pa rin ako habang buhay.
That's nice. That's sweet. That's sweet. Pero ang ganda nung ano no. Para sobrang simple lang nung atake nung sana wag kang magsawa sa akin. Pero di ba grabe naman talaga yung atake niya. Tanong natin yung nasa likod. Parang madami siyang alam about dun eh.
Boss.
Di ba?
Hindi, tama-tama lang yun para sa personality ni JR. Maraming makaka-relate.
Sa personality mo, hindi.
Yan na guys, naglalaglagan na. Sisihan. But in terms of the song itself, and now we're talking visuals. We have a lyric video out for the song currently. We have any plans, or do we have any plans for a music video? Is there anything you might want to disclose, or balak nyo i-break dito sa Easy Rock Plugged In?
Yeah, may prepare po kaming music video but it's not yet finished
Yes,
pa.
okay.
Pero meron. May aasahan kayong music video from us, so yeah.
Awesome. Sige, abangan namin yan, of course. So any messages naman sa mga fans or taga-suporta, viewers who find it hard to find their own giliw, quote-unquote?
Hard to find daw eh. Na-find ko na yung sa akin eh.
Oo nga naman. Anyone else na hindi pa nahanap?
Sky, kaya mo yan, Sky.
Sky, nahirapan na mili.
Hindi, kapag nahirapan kayo humanap ng partner nyo, huwag na kayo maghanap.
Wag na maghanap, ganun.
Hindi, huwag na kayo maghanap kasi kusang, lilitaw.
Pusang lalapit.
Bossy.
Speaking from experience po ba yan, ganun? Medyo. Itong si Nonchalant. Paano naman para sa'yo, yung mga taong nahihirapan hanapin yung giliw nila?
Ayan, kagaya din kay Sky, siguro, yung time na lang, time will tell na parang yung universe na yung maglalapit sa'yo nung tao na para sa'yo, tapos lahat magiging perfect.
Maganda, actually. Di ba parang yung sinasabi nga nila, opposites attract.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So, hindi ko alam ha, hindi ko lang sure, pero kung di mo hanapin yung giliw mo, malay mo, biglang para magnet, lalapit na lang sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway, promote. I'll give you the floor now to promote, any projects, any social media you guys have, upcoming gigs, performances, events, and whatnot. Sige.
Okay, we have upcoming gigs. This coming July 18 sa GMA Playlist and sa August 31 sa MAD sa Arinet.
Rizal.
Rizal Coliseum pala, sorry. Then yung sa October Fest.
Third week of October, we have concert at Metro Walk Pasig
Yeah.
in relation and collaboration with the Southern Tagalog region of the Fraternal Order of Eagles.
Yes, then we're planning to have a music video launch, so hindi pa namin sure yung date. But yeah, follow nyo po kami sa aming mga social media accounts para maging updated kayo sa amin sa Facebook, The Nobs sa IG and X, at The Nobs PH, sa YouTube channel namin, The Nobs TV. And follow nyo rin kami sa Spotify. Yan.
And all DSPs, syempre, di ba? All streaming
And
platforms.
all streaming platforms, syempre. Yan. Download yung song namin para may pangkain na yung mga pusa namin.
Ang ganda nung no? Mas maingganyo naman talaga sila i-stream yung music niya. Anyway, folks, that's it from us here at Easy Rock Plugged In. My name is Andre Jordan, of course. I'm gonna leave you now with the performance from the Knobs themselves of their latest single, O Giliw Ko, right here on Easy Rock Plugged In. See you guys next time.
Oh, giliw ko, hawakan mo lang ako. makakapigil pa sa pag-ibig nating dalawa. Ikaw lang naman ang ninanais kong makasama habang buhay. Ikaw ang laman ng puso't isipan. Mga hangiti mo'y mahirap kalimutan. Dito ka na lang, huwag kang bibitaw, at dahan-dahan kang isasayaw. Oh, giliw ko, masdan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakaawat pa sa ating nadarama. Oh, giliw ko, hawakan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakapigil pa sa pag-ibig nating dalawa. Kahit saan man tayo dalhin na ang tadhana, pangakong hindi na bibitaw sa'yo. Wala kong ibang hiling kundi ikaw lang ay mapasakin. Dito ka na lang, huwag kang bibitaw, at dahan-dahan kang isasayaw. Oh, giliw ko, masdan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakaawat pa sa ating nadarama. Oh, giliw ko, hawakan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakapigil pa sa pag-ibig nating dalawa. Habang buhay kang mamahalin, huwag sanang masawa sa'kin. Hagyahan mo lang ako at aalagaan ko ang puso mo. Masdan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakaawat pa sa ating nadarama. Giliw ko, hawakan mo lang ako. Wala nang makakapigil pa sa pag-ibig nating dalawa. Masdan mo lang
Buksan mo na. Easy